Hey guys, today in this video we're gonna be using a computer. You can see myself, or I can see myself. Hey guys. Alright, so we're gonna go to Beam. Actually, no, freak that. We're gonna go to Google. There you go, Google Chrome. I don't want to set up an original. Let's see. Let's see. How did the web look like in the 2000s. That's what pops out. Vibrant color animated and table-based layouts. Interesting. So look at images. That's Apple. Welcome to Apple. Well, I don't have that clearly. It's interesting. Very interesting. Actually, wait, this ain't even, this Microsoft Bing. Bro. Hold on. I could do it like that. Let's see. Let's make this about chickens. Chickens. Interesting. About mini chickens. That's wait, those are not mini chickens. Those are big ass chickens. Oh, what the? No. Can't show that. That's it, guys. It's gonna be it for today. We just explored a computer and a retro camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like and subscribe. And yeah.